High-waisted jeans, love them, hate them. They are so trendy right now. Every single brand has a pair of high-waisted jeans. I'm gonna show you how to style these bad boys. Welcome back. I'm so excited to see you guys. I love it when you tune in. I love your messages that come in right away. And I'm just really appreciative that you are here with me because without you, I wouldn't be making videos. I'm gonna move on straight into the video. High-waisted jeans, they are massive everywhere. Every single brand out there has a pair of high-waisted jeans. In case you guys don't know this, have like the world's shortest waist. So if you're watching this and you're like, I can't wear high-waisted jeans, I have a really short waist, I have too big of a butt, or I have this, or I have that, you know what? You can actually, because last time high-waisted jeans were in, I was like, you know what, I don't really think I can do this. This time I'm probably found like the most high-waisted pair. Like I don't think they could get any more high-waisted. These are incredible and I found them and they fit me and I love them. And so I thought I would show you guys a few different looks and how to style high-waisted jeans. For the first look, let's say you got a pair of high-waisted jeans, you are going out, I'm going out tomorrow night, I put this on, I was like, dang, this is a good outfit, I'm gonna wear this tomorrow night. I'm just going to like an office opening and I have these high-waisted jeans, I chucked on a bodysuit, which I also never wear, but how great does a bodysuit look with high-waisted jeans? A pair of my favorite high-heeled open-toed sandals that I also never wear. And they happen to look fantastic on that. And I was in Man Woman Home last night and I found this long duster kimono. I mean, how amazing is this? You can also wrap this around and use it as a dress. I've put it on as a kimono. So this is my look. High-waisted jeans, bodysuit, long kimono, high heels. So for look number 2, I suggest styling high-waisted jeans with a simple statement shirt. How awesome is this one? I will leave a link to this shirt down below, but come on, it's like my favorite color. It's black and it has one cool sleeve. I just tucked it in. The shirt itself is not that long, kept my high heels on, and bam, it's a great look. You can wear your high-waisted jeans, dress them up by simply adding a statement shirt. This is so easy. One more thing about the statement shirt, be a little careful when you're finding a statement shirt because I feel like if you don't normally wear high-waisted jeans or you don't normally wear something that's so much of a statement, don't also add color. Just work with one element. So for example, for me, I usually wear black. I'm comfortable in black. It's a slimming color. So to have a big sleeve is no big deal. But if the shirt was like in yellow with a big sleeve, I think I'd be horrified because it's just like way too far out of my box. So try to stay in your box and find something really cool. Look number 3 is the quintessential crop top. Of course, who can't talk about high-waisted jeans and also how to style them with a crop top? Because I don't necessarily want to wear a crop top that's really tight and short. If you're a little younger than me and have a few less kids than me, sure, by all means, definitely throw on the crop top with your high-waisted jeans. I found this one from Faithful, the brand. It's from Man Woman Home. I thought it was super cute. It ties, so it's loose. It's still crop, and it's not really showing anything. Palm tree print is huge right now. I paired it with just a pair of white slides, just so that I can show you that you indeed don't have to wear high heels with high-waisted jeans. Throw on a pair of slides, flat or a chunky heel, anything you want, it still looks fabulous. This is a great look, the crop top. For look number 4, I took one of my absolute favorite pieces, which you guys all know. It's the plain white tee. Okay, so this t-shirt is a little different. I'm not kidding you. I found it and I was obsessed. I bought it in white, gray, and black. It's crop, but it has an elastic. It looks like my t-shirt is tucked into my high-waisted jeans. However, it's got a nice little elastic on it. I'm not having to like tie a knot or do anything. I'm just so in love. I'll put a link to this t-shirt down below. Oh, best thing ever. So plain white tee, and then I wanted to show you that you actually can wear high-waisted jeans with flat shoes. I paired them with these yellow shoes from Aldo. They are brand spanking new for summer and spring, so they will still be in stores. I absolutely love this look. It's very cute. I think you look super put together. Little white t-shirt and a pair of colored shoes. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope that you enjoyed this video. High-waisted jeans are really fun, and to be totally honest, They're super comfortable. Come on, who doesn't want their muffin top to be held in? They're the best thing ever. There is a bunch out there. Every brand has a pair, so don't be afraid. These ones are by A Gold E. I put them on and I was like, oh, these are the best fit for me ever. I don't really have hips. They went up and they would just fit perfectly everywhere, even my small tush. So thank you to Lucy at Aritzia. I love you. She picked these out for me and I was like, oh my gosh. And one more hint, summer, buy a lighter colored pair. If you notice, these are a very light blue. I tried to keep the rips to a minimum. I have lots of jeans with lots of rips, but I wanted something that I can dress up a little bit too. But what I'm saying is go into a store, try on every single pair, and you will find one that is right for you. Remember, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know which outfit was your favorite, and remember to subscribe and I will show up in your mailbox every Thursday and we can hang out. And you can show your friends all the new tips and tricks that you learned. Okay, I'll see you guys next week.